Hey guys, so today's energetic story is all about codependency into unity. So everybody really wants a great connection, but there's a process of growth you need to go through to meet someone at your level if you want it to be a more cohesive connection over lessons. Someone said to me recently, they want a man to make them feel beautiful. And then in another breath, they counteracted it with, they can't be manipulated. We have been brainwashed to believe that our dreams are outside of ourselves. I found this really great quote. It says, the greatest trick ever played was to have us search externally for our savior when we are here to save ourselves. On our healing journey, as we delve into experiences that scare us, we start to see more truth. When we stay clean on the sidelines, judging from the ego, we don't have the full perspective as when we get in and get dirty. We need to delve right into life and get down and dirty. It's like we go to a sports game and we cheer for a team from the sidelines, but would we still feel the same way about the team if we were on the inside? When we want to create more meaningful connections, we need to know ourselves at the same level. When we ask, the universe sends us the exact opposite so we can move from fear through the lessons into love. The prophets, the seers, the mediums, the channels, all had one main message. It was about love, understanding, healing, and above all else, solutions over judgment. Don't get me wrong. I love all the prophets, the seers, the mediums, and the shift in perception they brought. I have so much respect for their stories because people in high places feared the change they brought, and they suffered to help humanity. But their stories were to show us how we all have it within us. They didn't want us to live their story. They wanted us to take that kind of template and use it in our own lives. They didn't want us to sit around worshiping them. Be thankful, honor the stories they're sharing and how we can create the change in our own lives. But anybody that wants change, they don't want someone sitting around and just praising them all day. They want action. They want you to take it into your own lives. Look at all the people that, get up on stage and they're inspirational to you. It's the same thing. So their stories were to show us how we all have it in us. We all have healing capabilities. And when we reach for solutions over judgment, we all win. Same thing, like a psychic reading. It might start out as small things, but as you build faith, I help you build bigger dreams as I take you out of fear. So don't overlook the little things. Pay attention to the small details that you get in a reading, and soon you'll be creating a masterpiece. It's just like anything, when you're learning to draw. You start out with little stick figures, and then you kind of add the details on and on and on, right? It's the same thing with a psychic reading. We're tapping into that subconscious space, and it's a delicate process in the beginning. It starts out as, you gotta just pay attention, and what are you attracting into your life? You don't want to create the same cycles, so you have to pay attention and not react and protect yourself at the same time. And then you change your mindset and you start to move and evolve and grow, and then your life of your dreams keeps getting bigger and better. So you guys got this. We're all in this together to help make the world a better place. Happy healing, guys.